One more shot at it. Hey, Blizzard. Mr. Blizzy Boy was sleeping before I went and picked him up, so it might take him a bit to get fired up too. Hey, everybody said we just had lunch. We just ate. We just ate. Yes, we did. And this is a very sweet little boy too. That's a good boy. Yeah, it's a good boy. What you got? Hey, what's that? Hey, what you got? What you got? What's it? Get it. Good boy. Go get it. Bring it here. Hey, what you got, honey? What's that? You gotta bring it here. Oh, what a good boy. What a handsome boy. You're nice. You got a dirty face. Says I got a bit of a dirty face. Yes, I got a bit of a dirty face. Oh, it says I got an itch. And these darn collars make your neck a little itchy. What's this? Oh, what is it? Hey? What's that? Oh, what is that? What's that? Hey? What is that? Hey? What is that? Oh, what you got? Go get it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Blizzy. What a good boy. What you got, honey? Bring it here. Hey, what you got? What you got? What's this? Hey, what is it? What's it? Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, dear. Come here. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. What you got, honey? Hey, bring it here. What you got? Are you coming back? Huh? You gonna come back and say hi to me? Oh, kissing boy. Oh, it's a kissing boy. Oh, it's a kisser. Because everybody's a kisser. Everybody wants to kiss. Everybody wants to kiss. Eh? Oh, he's a nice boy. He's a nice boy. Oh, yes, he's a good boy, that boy. He's a really good little guy. Okay. Everybody else is pissed right off. You're out here and you're all stuck in the house. We got to get him back outside here. Good boy. Good boy. What's this? Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Almost brought it back. Almost. Hey. What's this? What's this? Oh, what a good boy. What a good boy. Oh, yes. Hi. Hey, what's this? Hey, what's this? Hey, what's this? What's my God? Hey, don't bite me. Oh, what do you want? Hey, take that. Take that toy. Oh, take that. Take it. Take it. So you see the three puppies that I showed you, besides Ash, have probably got about the same amount of energy. I would say Ash is higher in energy. What you got? He's a pretty boy. He's a pretty boy. Yes, he is. What you got? Hey, oh, let me get up here. Let me get up and get the energy going here. What do we got here? What's this? Oh, what is it? What's it? Hey, what? What's it? Hey, what? Oh, what? Hey, what? What's it? Go get it, buddy. Get it. Get it here. Bring it in. Bring it over. Part of the thing with training and getting is to get them fired up, so at least they're fired up and they want to play. And right now I've just got them out of a sleep, and I believe any one of these puppies will learn how to chase the ball. Go get it, honey, get it. Hey. Go get it. Oh, sir, I said, well, you're coming back. That's a good sign. You're coming back. Yes, I know. Very good sign. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. What's that? Well, you almost brought it back to me. Let's go. Let's go one more time. Let's go. Go get it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. That's it. That's a good boy. That's it, buddy. That's it. Go get it. Good boy. Oh, good boy. What a good puppy. That's it. That's it. Good boy. That's it, buddy. Can I have it back? Out. Good boy. Okay, go get it. No, since you spit in my face and now you want me to get the ball? Since you spit in my face and now you want me to get the ball? Okay, you spit in my face. You done? Is that it? You one-trick pony? Are you a one-trick pony? Is that it? Huh? Busy? Okay. Well, that's what you get. We got all of them there.